Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is part 2 of lesson 99, practice set and starred problems. So let's see here. Okay. So number 24 is a two-step problem. The first thing we're going to have to do is add or subtract. We're trying to get rid of this 1, so I have to do the opposite of what is currently happening. The 3 and 1/3 x is going to come down. 1 minus 1 is nothing, and I get 48. And then the second thing I'm going to have to do, this is my add and subtract step, this is my divide or multiply step, I need to popcorn this. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And then I need to multiply by the reciprocal. So this is going to cancel. I get x by itself. It's 48 times 3 over 1 times 10, which is 48 times 3, I get, when I do it with my calculator, I get 14.4. But since they started with fractions, I'm going to go back to fractions. So 14 and 4/10, which is, if I divide by 2, 14 and 2/5. Okay, and then the last problem on lesson 99. Let me change colors here. It says, using the distributive property, we know that 2 times x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 8. Use the distributive property to multiply this. Okay, so we have 3x minus 2, and we're going to distribute or multiply 3 times everything that's inside of there. So this is going to be equal to 3 times x plus 3 times negative 2. So this is 3x, x plus a negative 6. Or you could say 3x minus 6. And that's the end of part 2, lesson 99, practice set and starred problems. Please let me know if you have any questions.